post-war conferences.
Why are there post-war conferences, Mikey?
Because when wars get too out of hand, they're needed to regain the peace.
So like in World War II when the Axis powers were killing millions of people?
Yes, just like that.
What happened at the Tehran conference?
Britain, the US, and the Soviet Union all met to discuss the partition of Germany after the war.
What happens afterward?
FDR tries to convince Stalin to start an international organization with him.
Cool. What's the Dumbarton Oaks Conference?
The Soviet Union, US, Britain, and China all met to discuss the world organization and how it would happen. 4 countries would run it, which would be them, and they would be responsible for security, peace, and weaponry.
I heard that those countries went back and spread the word about it.
Yep, and they received criticism.
The Yalta Conference, is that where they talked about Germany?
Yes, the 3 allies met again to discuss how they would fight back against Germany. They also talked about splitting Germany into 4 pieces.
And reparations?
Of course. And they also continued to talk about the blueprints for the organization.
The Potsdam Conference?
Yes, for this conference, the 3 allied powers met again and discussed Germany's defeat. They also talked about reparations.
Japan hasn't been mentioned yet. What about them?
The US finally asked Russia to help them fight against Japan, and they agreed. The San Francisco Conference was one of the largest in the world, with 850 delegates.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yep, and in the 2 months that this conference took, they wrote the entire World Organization Charter and passed it.
So overall, I've learned that the post-war conference bring us one step closer to world peace.